In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default font and font size in Microsoft Excel. By the end, your new workbooks will open with the exact look you prefer, saving you clicks and making your spreadsheets easier to read and share. First, with Excel open, head to the top left and click File. This takes you out of your workbook and into the Backstage view, where all the global settings live. If your screen looks different or you don't see a full file menu, you might be using Excel on the web. The default font setting we're changing here is available in the desktop app. Next, look down the left-hand column and click Options. It's typically near the bottom of the list. This opens the Excel Options window, which controls how Excel behaves overall, not just the current file. Think of it as the command center for your default preferences. In the Excel Options window, stay on the General tab. Scroll if needed until you find the section labeled When Creating New Workbooks. This is the key area. Here, locate the settings for Use This as the default font and font size. These two options determine what every brand new workbook and worksheet will use right out of the gate. Now, change it. Pick your preferred font from the drop-down. Something readable and widely supported is usually best. And then choose a comfortable font size. Many people like 11 or 12 for everyday work, but choose what fits your display and printing needs. Click OK to save your changes. Excel may prompt you to close and restart the application. That's normal. The new defaults apply to new workbooks created after you restart, not to files that are already open. A few tips to make this stick. This change affects new workbooks and new sheets only. Existing files will keep whatever formatting they already have. If you open a template or a file from someone else, that file's styles or template settings can override your defaults, which is expected. If text suddenly feels too large or too small after the change, check your zoom level before adjusting font size again. Zoom can make the same text look very different without altering your actual settings. Also, if you work with special characters or multiple languages, choose a font that supports the scripts you use regularly to avoid missing symbols. That's it. Click File, click Options, go to the default font and size, and change it. Restart Excel, and every new workbook will look the way you want from the first cell onward.